Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna design some 3D logos of some popular apps. So let's get started. To make 3D stuffs, I usually use Paint 3D. So today we are also gonna use Paint 3D. You can get it from the start menu option, or if you don't have it downloaded, you can download it from the app store. So first we are gonna design Excel sheet, a popular app from Microsoft. So we will take a cuboid from the 3D shapes and paint it green. Then we will resize a little bit. So we are gonna make a X logo by going to the text section and we will type X here. Then we will change the color to black so that it is visible in the white background. After that we will make it a sticker by selecting it. Then we will click on the magic select button and crop the edges which are white. Then it will auto select the X. Then we'll click on done and bring on the green section and resize it. And we'll click on the commit or tick button. As we can see in the logo, the X is white color but our X is black color, so we are gonna go to a brush section and click on the bucket icon and paint it white. Then we will make the sides of the X little bit cleaner. Now we will duplicate it by copy pasting. Then we will keep it aside to the first cuboid and paint the whole cuboid green. As you can see, there are some white spots, so we are gonna clean it with the marker. Now we will make a white box in the second cuboid. In the Excel sheet logo there is a table type thing, so we are also gonna make the same by selecting the lines option, and we will make 2 lines. Then we will select the rectangle option and make some boxes and copy paste it so that it will look like a table. Some border of the boxes are out of the line, so we will make another box and make the color of it as green, and we will resize it. So our basic work is done. Now our model looks fine in 2D. Now we will go to the 3D view. It's messed up, so we are gonna make it little thin width wise. In the logo, the X cuboid is on the top of the table cuboid, so we will also keep the X cuboid on the table cuboid and we will rotate it. It will look just like a book. From the top view, rotating is much easier. As you can see, the table is not visible, so we will move the X little bit aside and we will stretch the table so that it meets the X cuboid. Again we will go to the top view and stretch it. So our Excel sheet app logo in 3D is done. Now it's time for exporting the model as a video. For exporting, we will go to the menu option and click on Save As, Video, As you can see, the canvas is visible. So we will go back, click on cancel and go to the canvas option. Then we will hide the canvas. There are many effects in the effects section. If you like it, you can choose any of them, but I like the default one. I will keep as it is and click on the menu option, then save as, then video. Now the canvas is not visible. It's okay. So we will adjust the angle and framing. We'll set as 16:9. That's the common ratio of a video. Now it's okay, but it is little bit small, so we will make it little bit big, and it's done. There are many animation that you can choose. You can adjust the quality, the frame rate. You can choose the speed, the number of times the animation is to be repeated. When you are done with all your settings, you can click on save and select your folder where you want to save your video. Then rename your video and click on save. It will take some time to render and save. So this much for today's video. Wait for the next one. Till then, goodbye.